Hey folks, it's Big Sexy here. Today we're diving into ChatGPT's latest updates, because this AI's been in the lab, hitting the gym, and getting a degree in personal assistance. So what's new? Let's break it down Big Sexy style. First up, voice mode. Yeah, you heard right. You can now talk to ChatGPT, it'll talk back out loud. Want to argue about politics in public? Now you can. Just tap the mic, ask anything, and get ready for a conversation. It's like Siri's smarter cousin, minus the attitude. Next on the list, image creation. Describe what you want and boom, ChatGPT draws it up. Ever wanted a moose riding a Zamboni or Pierre Poilievre arm wrestling a beaver? Done. Perfect for memes, thumbnails, or confusing your grandma. I asked for Justin Trudeau on a unicorn. And let's just say, I got a fantasy and a campaign poster in one. Got spreadsheets that look worse than Trudeau's budget? ChatGPT's data analysis feature has got you covered. Upload your file, ask for a summary or trends, and it'll break it down. Analyzing my expenses, it told me, bro. Maybe less DoorDash and more home cooking. Brutal, but fair. This one's fresh. ChatGPT can now email you reminders, appointments, and tasks. Sync it with your Gmail, tell it what you need reminders for, and boom, your inbox is now your second conscience. It's like having a naggy assistant you can't fire. Working with a team? ChatGPT's team collaboration feature helps you share conversations, track notes, and avoid the "sorry, I was on mute" excuses. Finally, group projects without Steve slacking off. And here's a fun one. Custom instructions. You can now make ChatGPT talk the way you want. Want it to sound like a professor, a life coach, or like Big Sexy? Go to settings, add custom instructions, and make it sharp, funny, and slightly inappropriate. Perfect. So, is ChatGPT 2025 worth it? Absolutely. If you want an AI assistant that's actually useful, need your inbox to keep you in line, or love memes, charts, and a bit of chaos. Not so much if you're hoping it will fold your laundry or fix Canadian politics. Sorry, not even AI can solve those. So what's your favorite feature? Voice mode for yelling at robots? Email reminders because your brain's unreliable? Or AI images for meme madness? Drop a comment below, and if you're watching over the bar, hit that like button before I set ChatGPT to email you reminders to subscribe. Catch you in the next video, Tech Fam. Peace out. #BigSexyNews, #TechTalk, #ChatGPT, #AI upgrades, #email reminders, #over the bar, #like and subscribe.